In the year 394 AD, the Roman Empire stood at a precipice. Emperor Theodosius I faced a formidable challenge as the usurper Eugenius threatened to tear the empire apart. Join us as we unravel the gripping tale of the Battle of the Frigidus, where Theodosius I secured his legacy by defeating Eugenius and restoring the unity of the Roman Empire. Theodosius I, known as the Great, was a Roman emperor who sought to restore the empire's unity. The Roman Empire was divided into eastern and western halves, and Theodosius' reign aimed to mend the rift and strengthen the empire's foundations. Enter Eugenius, a usurper who seized power in the Western Roman Empire. He had the support of the Roman Senate and sought to undermine Theodosius' rule in the East. The empire stood on the brink of a civil war that would decide its fate. Theodosius I knew that the survival of the Roman Empire hinged on decisive action. He marshaled his forces in the east and prepared to march westward to confront Eugenius. The Battle of the Frigidus would be the crucible where their destinies intertwined. In the shadow of the Julian Alps, near the Frigidus River, the two armies clashed. The battlefield was shrouded in chaos as Roman legions faced each other in a desperate struggle for power and control. The battle took an unexpected turn when a solar eclipse occurred. Theodosius, a devout Christian, saw this as a divine sign. Inspired by what he interpreted as a celestial intervention, his soldiers fought with newfound zeal and determination. Theodosius' forces gradually gained the upper hand. Eugenius' army was defeated, and he was captured. In the aftermath of the battle, Theodosius faced a pivotal decision regarding the fate of the usurper. In a moment of clemency, Theodosius spared Eugenius' life. He believed in the unity of the Roman Empire and sought reconciliation. However, Eugenius' Frankish general, Arbogast, escaped and remained a threat to the emperor. 2 days after the Battle of the Frigidus, Arbogast's fate took a dark turn. Realizing the hopelessness of his situation, he chose to end his own life rather than face capture or execution. With his death, the immediate threat to Theodosius' rule dissipated. The victory at the Battle of the Frigidus secured Theodosius I's legacy as a restorer of the Roman Empire's unity. His reign marked a pivotal moment in Roman history when the eastern and western halves came together under one ruler. The Battle of the Frigidus stands as a testament to the resilience of the Roman Empire and the vision of a leader who sought to mend its fractures. Theodosius I's victory over Eugenius signaled a period of relative stability in the empire's waning years, leaving a lasting imprint on the course of history. Subscribe to my channel if you like these historical videos and click on the top left box for the story of the fall of Jerusalem and the demise of Herod's temple. Thanks for watching.